The Hubble Space Telescope has observed the interaction of the Large Magellanic Cloud LMC at 163,000 light-years distance with the Milky Way galaxy. This animation shows the Large Magellanic Cloud at the bottom. It is stretched by the gravity of the more massive Milky Way at the top. The halo of the LMC has a diameter of only 50,000 light-years. That's 1/10 the size of other galaxies with the same mass. Hubble has collected the data by measuring the background light of 28 quasars that are in the same direction as the Magellanic Stream. The Large Magellanic Cloud has lost its halo to ram pressure stripping. The gravity of the Milky Way has an effect like a galactic hairdryer. The lost gas will slow down and eventually will rain into the Milky Way. The LMC will not lose its entire halo because it is currently moving away from the closest point to the Milky Way. This is an artist's concept of the Large Magellanic Cloud, a dwarf galaxy and a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way. With a diameter of 32,000 light-years, the LMC is the fourth biggest galaxy of the local group. It has 20 billion stars and about 1/10 of the Milky Way's mass. That is enough for the LMC to keep some of its gas and dust. The dwarf galaxy has a high star formation rate. The Magellanic Stream is a stream of gas clouds that connects the large and small Magellanic Clouds with the Milky Way. Price-Whelan 1 is an extragalactic star cluster in the Magellanic Stream. About 2.4 billion years from now, the merger of the Large Magellanic Cloud with the Milky Way will begin. You can check out the links to the scientific articles in the description field. And you can check out my other videos from the Astronomy series. Thank you for watching.